We are leaving Licola. Great little campsite. Thanks CK for sharing your accommodation with us last night. Stinky bikepackers jumped into little bunk beds.
Hey, we were clean, we showered.
Yeah, true. 7:20, we've got a big day coming up the hill, so let's get into it. Oh, my legs need to actually start moving because it hurts. Back in the Alpine National Park. Phew. This is one of those days where I'm going to want to film a lot. The way everything is looking, it is amazing. And what's your name? Where are you from?
Robert, I'm from Germany.
How are you feeling about today?
Pretty good. Recovered last night. Could have been worse. Yeah.
Gonna be a good day, eh?
Yeah.
Settling into all day long pace. Coming down to get a little bit of water, like the river. It's pretty good. Oh. Begins. Just another 12 k's up this climb. This is definitely going to be one of the biggest climbs I've ever done in one go, assuming I get to the top. What a day though, it's just magic. Keep saying it, but it is beautiful out here. Right, we're about 4 k's through this 14k climb. There's nothing easy about this. 7% gradient. We are just grinding. That's what we're ready for. Doing the hunt, this is what you come out for. Nothing easy was ever that rewarding, eh? Camera's around the wrong way. Now, what we were looking at there, that's hilarious. I'm getting tired. Time for a gel. How's that waterfall? About 10k's done. Haven't really been filming much, there's not really much to say apart from keep on grinding. Slowly pushing. Legs are really hurting. There's another 5k climb after this one anyway, so it's just about midday. Hopefully we'll get up 12 o'clock to the top of the hill here. Be lunchtime, that'll be a really nice thing to be able to do. Body parts are hurting. This is what we're talking about. I could be going quicker than this, but I'm enjoying just rolling without having to do anything for once today. What a view. You can't see behind these trees here, but the view out to my left is just mountains as far as I can see. Got to love the high country. Sensational. Yeah, he is. How you going, Tim?
We're gonna make it.
Of course we're going to make it.
Howdy.
Epic, bro, epic. We're at McFarlane Saddle. Descent time, let's go! The road up there, we've come all the way round up over there. Up that climb. I need to stop, put something warm on, it's freezing! So day 4, is that?
Day 4, done.